What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick update for our friend Gala Games, sitting at 0.0252, up 1.6 on the day. So your market cap 544 million, 24 volume 88 million. Let's hop to the chart. So, a couple scenarios. We pushed up. If we take a fib extension from the bottom of this wave 1 to the top to the bottom of 2, we pushed up all the way up to the 1.382, which is a target for a wave 3. So, a couple scenarios. The first one is we're pulling back in a wave 4. We have to hold the 50% retracement, which is currently sitting at 0.02489. If that breaks, then I think it's more likely that you're looking at a leading diagonal. So this is a 1-2 pushed up, and a 3-4 leading diagonal is the only time the 4 can break into the 1. Pushed up in a wave 5, and now you would look to pull back in a wave 2. That's if we break the 50% retracement. Then your pullback zone would be in between the 0.382 at a minimum. Usually would come down in between the 50% and the 78.6, currently sitting at 0.0222 and 0.0198. That's if we break the 50% retracement for this wave 4, which is sitting at 0.02489. All right, gang. Weekly or daily chart just starting to push above the 20 EMA, so obviously we would love to see that hold. If we can bounce and then push up in a wave 5, then we would push higher and we would test the 55 EMA as resistance. So crucial we get back above those EMAs on the daily if we are going to see continuation to the upside. So that's it, guys. If we break that 50% retracement, then I look at a leading diagonal and you're going to see a little bit of a larger pullback before continuation. But if we can bounce here and put in a wave 5, then that would complete the wave 3. We could count this as an impulse and pull back in a 4, see continuation up in a 5. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Quick update. We are in a Gala Games trade, which is in profits, as well as 3 other trades. You can receive a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis if you sign up to Bickit or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bickit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. It takes 2 minutes. And you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals analysis. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access to the signals, it's only 10 USD per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.